How does cycle and soak schedule its watering? You can learn about it through the following two methods. 1. Scan the QR code, and use a dedicated calculator to figure it out. 2. After understanding the calculation examples, calculate it yourself. The cycle and soak involves dividing the watering time you set into several equal stages. There are 3 modes to choose from: 3:15, 5:30, 10:30. 3M, 15M means water for 3 minutes and let the soil absorb water for 15 minutes. 5M, 30M means water for 5 minutes and let the soil absorb water for 30 minutes. 10M, 30M means water for 10 minutes and let the soil absorb water for 30 minutes. For example, the cycle and soak mode lasts for 3:15. The start time is set at 8 a.m. The how long setting is 9 minutes. The timer will water for 3 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for 15 minutes, then water again for 3 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for another 15 minutes, and then water again for 3 minutes. The irrigation time is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 minutes. The total irrigation time is 3 plus 15 plus 3 plus 15 plus 3 is equal to 39 minutes. The valve close time is 8:39 a.m. The cycle and soak mode lasts for 5:30. The start time is set at 9 a.m. The how long setting is 15 minutes. The timer will water for 5 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for 30 minutes, then water again for 5 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for another 30 minutes, and then water again for 5 minutes. The irrigation time is 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 minutes. The total irrigation time is 5 plus 30 plus 5 plus 30 plus 5 is equal to 75 minutes. The valve close time is 10:15 a.m.